To adjust the front brake, we need to find this cable with the cable protector on it and adjust it until the cable goes inside through this cap nut and cannot be seen. Use a plier when needed. Now we can adjust the cable. Pull the brake cable from the end with a plier and do the same as the rear brake. Use one hand to push the caliper and tighten the spring, the other hand to tighten the screw on it. After tightening, we can still check the brake lever. Check the other brake lever. The front one should be on the right. It should be not too tight or loose. If so, adjust accordingly and then put on the other screw to keep the cable fixed. And now, take the plier to thread the rest of the cable through the caliper. To assemble the tightener, first we need to attach a stem and adjust the handlebar to the front wheel. Make sure that the handlebar is perpendicular to the wheel when it is straight to the front. To tighten the tightener, we need to use a T30 screwdriver bit. Tighten the screw in the middle first, then tighten the ones on the side alternately. Do it several times before it is all tightened up. Now we can try to move the handlebar to see if the stem is too loose or too tight. Adjust accordingly before the ride. Now to put on the front deck cover. Put the scooter on a flat surface and take the cover. Make sure that the sides go into the groove so the cover is attached to the body. Now use a T20 anti-theft wrench to tighten the M4 pen head screws here. Now, to make sure that the screw is fully tightened, we can use a plier to tighten it once more. And do the same with the other side. Now to put on the bottom cover. First, let's turn the scooter around with the bottom facing us. Reorganize the cables inside and push them in so we can put on the cover smoothly. The semicircular part should be in the front. And align the 7 holes. Now we can put on the screws. Here we use a T20 wrench. Tighten the one on your upper side first. Then the bottom to keep it from moving. Do not tighten the first two too much on the first try. After putting up all 7 of them, retighten the first 2 to fix the cover. And when the assembly is done, you may start your ride.